Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. I would like to welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 19. Today's rubric is apathy. What is meant by apathy? Apathy is a want of feeling, emotion or interest, or it is a indifference or lack of feeling or emotion or lack of interest or concern. This is apathy. Then what is the Hindi meaning of apathy? उदासीनता, अनिच्छा. This is Hindi meaning. Then Marathi meaning उदासीनता, जाणीव अथवा भावनांची कमतरता, एखादी आवड अथवा आपल्याला कामासंबंधी उदासीनता. This is Marathi meaning of apathy. And what are the remedies for apathy? First is Argentum natricum, Calcarea, Crocus, Conium, Gelsemium, Helleborus, Calibrum, phosphoric acid, and phosphorus. So these are some of the remedies for apathy. And what are the cross references for apathy? First cross reference is amusement averse to. What is meant by amusement? Amusement is a light pleasure, or it is a feeling of being entertained or made to laugh. This is amusement. Then delirium apathetic. What is meant by delirium? Delirium means it is a disordered state of mind, a transient mental disturbance that is characterized by confusion, coordination, distortion, disordered speech, restlessness, excitement during the course of mental illness, shock, high fever, and intoxication. Or it is a state in which the idea of a person are wild, irregular, and unconnected, or do not correspond with the truth or with the external objects. Or it is a disturbed state of mind characterized by restlessness, illusion, incoherence occurrence, mostly in intoxicated conditions such as fever and other disorders. This is delirium apathetic. The next cross reference, dullness, sluggishness, difficulty in thinking and comprehending. What is meant by dullness? Dullness is a mental condition when a person is dull and sluggish. Slowness in thinking, comprehending, and response. Slow and weak performance in perceiving and reflecting. This is dullness. Then, next cross reference is envy, tedium. That is envy. Envy is a boredom from life, loss of interest in the pleasurable activities as well as in a daily routine, or it is a feeling of being bored and not satisfied because of nothing interesting is happening, or it is a feeling of being bored and mentally tired caused by having nothing interesting or exciting to do, or it is a feeling of weariness and dissatisfaction. So these are the different meanings of envy, tedium. Then going out aversion to. That is meant by who do not go out of their settled routine or principles. This is going out aversion to. Then heedless. Heedless means thoughtless, paying little attention, not paying careful attention to do something, or not giving attention to risk or possible difficulty, not taking any care or taking any notice of what others says, etc. This is heedless. The next cross reference is indifference, pleasure to. What is meant by indifference? Indifference means lack of interest in someone or something, the quality of not caring about or being interested in something, or it is a state of being indifferent or marked no feeling or no interest with a family in a certain circumstances where he has no desire to talk to them or he does not wish to hear about them. This is indifference. The next cross reference, listless. Listless means uninterested, indifferent, or having no interest, pleasure in a work despite having desire to do something. The next cross reference is play aversion to indisposition children. That is by engage in activity for enjoyment and recreation rather than a serious or practical purpose. Disposed to engage oneself in some amusing exercise. This is play aversion. The next cross reference, pleasure nothing in. The pleasure means it is an enjoyable sensation or emotion, or it is a feeling of happiness, satisfaction, and enjoyment. It is used to intended for the entertainment rather than business. It is a feeling of happiness, gladness, and joy. Doesn't matter you show it or not. This is pleasure. Then unattractive thing seems, that is seems to be attractive. This is all the cross references for the apathy. And what is the miasm? Miasm is syphilis miasm. And what is disease condition? The disease condition is schizophrenia. So this is all, friends, in short of apathy. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel. We will meet in next episode with a new rubric. Till then, take care. Thank you for your kind listening.